Hello everyone, this is MAMTA MUND and today we will learn and solve try these questions 1 to 8 of exercise 2.1 chapter 2. Chapter name is whole numbers of class 6 of NCERT mathematics textbook. Let's get started and solve some questions. Today we will learn and solve exercise 2.1 questions 1 to 8 of chapter 2. Chapter name is whole numbers. Let's solve some questions. Now question number 6. Write the predecessor of 94. First with A is 94. Predecessor. Predecessor is the before number. Previous number. Previous number. So we have to add, we have to subtract 1 from this number. So predecessor of 94 will be 94 minus 1. We have to subtract 1 from 94. That is 93. And 93 is the predecessor of 94. Now question number second bit B. Predecessor of 10,000. We know predecessor is the previous or before number, so we have to subtract 1 from this number. So predecessor of 10,000 will be 10,000 minus 1. That is, we have to subtract 1 from 10,000. And subtracting 1 from 10,000 will be 9,999. And 9,999 is the predecessor of 10,000. Now question number third bit C. Write the predecessor of 2,08,090. We know predecessor is the previous or before number. We have to subtract 1 from this number. So predecessor of 2,08,090 will be 2. We have to subtract 1 from 2,08,090. And it is 2,08,089. So 2,08,089 is the predecessor of 2,08,090. Now question number fourth bit D. Write the predecessor of 76,54,321. We know predecessor is the before number or the previous number. We have to subtract 1 from this number. So subtracting 1 from 76,54,321 will be 76,54,321 minus 1. So it is 76,54,320. And 76,54,320 is the predecessor of 76,54,321. Now question number 7. In which of the following numbers state which whole number is on the left of the number line? Also write them with the appropriate sign between them. First bit A. 530 and 503. This is the number line starting from 0 from this number. Then suppose this is 500 and from 500, 501, then 502, 503. This is 503, 50. Then 0 is in 10th place of 503, and in 533 the 3 is in 10th place. We know 0 is smaller number than 3. So first we have to write 503 on the number line on the left hand side, then 504 like this, and this is 500. Suppose this is 530. So 530 is the biggest number, is the bigger number than 503. So 503 is smaller number and 530 is the bigger number, and 503 is on the left hand side. So 503 will be on left hand side. Left hand of number line, and 500 between 530 and 503, 530 is bigger number than 503. So 530 is greater than 503. So the appropriate sign is greater than sign. Now second bit B, 370 and 307. This is the number line. This is 300. Suppose this is 300, then 301 like this. This is 307. In 307, 0 is in 10th place, and in 370, 7 is in 10th place. So 0 is less than 7. So we have to first place 307 on the left hand side of this number line. Then 308 like this, then 370. And 370 is the bigger number than 307. So 307 is on the left of the number line. And between 370 and 307, 370 is greater than 307. 370 is bigger number than 307. So the appropriate sign is greater than symbol. Now question number third bit C, 98,765 and 56,789. Which number is on the left hand side of the number line? We have to first draw the number line. 56,789. Between these two numbers, 5 is on the 10,000 place, and in 56,709, 5 is in 10,000 place, and in 98,765, 9 is in 10,000 place. So starting from 0, this is 56,789, because 5 is smaller than 9, so we have to first place the 56,789 to the left hand side of the number line. Then 56,790 like this, then this is suppose 98,765, and 98,765 is the bigger number than 56,789, because this 9 is bigger, 9 is more than 5, 9 is greater than 5, so 98,765 is greater than 56,789. And on this number line, 56,789 is on the left hand of the number line. So 56,789 is on the left of the number line, and 98,765 is greater than 56,789. So appropriate sign is greater than symbol. Now D bit, 98,30,415 and 100 lakh, that is 1 crore 23,001. Between these two numbers, 9 is in 98 lakh, and this is 1 crore. We know crore is the more than 98 lakh. So on this number line, first place the 98 lakh, 30,415, Then suppose this is 98,30,416, like this. Suppose this is 1,23,001. So 1,23,001 is the bigger number than 98,30,415. And this number is the smaller number, so it will be on the left hand side of the number line. So 98,30,415 is on the left of the number line, and between these two numbers, 98,30,415 is less than 1,23,001, and the appropriate sign is smaller than less than symbol. Now we will solve question number 8. Which of the following statements are true or false? First bit A. 0 is the smallest natural number. We know natural numbers are counting numbers which starts from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. These are the natural numbers. So in natural number there is no 0. So 0 is the smallest natural number. This is false. 1 is the smallest natural number. So 0 is not a natural number. So 0 is the smallest natural number. This is false. Now question number second bit B. 400 is the predecessor of 399. We have to check is it true or false. We know predecessor is the before number or the previous number. We have to subtract 1 from the given number, then we get the predecessor of that number. So 400 is the predecessor of 399. So we have to find out predecessor of 399. So we have to subtract 1 from 399. So 399 minus 1 is 398. But it is given that 400 is the predecessor of 399. So it is false. 398 is the predecessor of 399. But 400 is the predecessor of 399. It is false. Now question number D bit. 600 is the successor of 599. We have to check whether this statement is true or false. Successor is the next number or the following number. When we find out the successor of a given number, then we have to add 1 to that number. So 600 is the successor of 599. So we have to find out successor of 599. So we have to add 1 with 599. So 599 plus 1 is 600. And 600 is the successor of 599. It is given. So it is true. So 600 is the successor of 599 is true. Now question number E bit. All natural numbers are whole numbers. We know natural numbers are counting numbers. We start with 1, 2, 3 like this. And whole numbers starts with 0. 0, 1, 2. When we add 0 in natural number, that is whole number. So whole number starts with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3 like this. So all natural numbers are whole numbers. Yes, 1, 2, 3 is present in whole number. So 1, 2, 3 are natural numbers, are whole numbers. So all natural numbers are whole numbers. This is true. This is true. Now F bit. All whole numbers are natural numbers. We know whole number starts with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are whole numbers. And natural numbers are counting numbers which starts with 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. These are natural numbers. Natural numbers are counting numbers. So all whole numbers are natural numbers. This is false because in whole numbers 0 is present, which is not included in natural numbers. So 0 is not a natural number. So all whole numbers are natural numbers. This is false because 0 is not a natural number. 0 is a whole number. Now question number G bit. The predecessor of a 2-digit number is never a single digit number. Predecessor of a 2-digit number. Suppose the 2-digit number is 10 and predecessor of 10 is 10 minus 1, which is 9, and 9 is a single digit number. So predecessor of a 2-digit number, that is predecessor of 10, is 9, which is a single digit number. Predecessor is the before number or the previous number, and predecessor of 2-digit number, that is 10, is never a single digit number. This is false. So predecessor of a 2-digit number can be a single digit number, and that is predecessor of 10 is 9, and 9 is a single digit number. So this is false. Now question number H bit. 1 is the smallest whole number. We know whole numbers start with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are whole numbers. Whole numbers always starts with 0. So 0 is the smallest whole number, but here it is given that 1 is the smallest whole number, so it is false. So 1 is the smallest whole number, it is false because 0, the whole number starts with 0. Now question number I bit. The natural number 1 has no predecessor. Predecessor is the before number or the previous number, and the natural number are counting number which starts with 1, 2, 3, 4. These are natural numbers. So natural number 1 has no predecessor. Predecessor of natural number 1 is 1 minus 1. We have to subtract 1 from the natural number 1. So it is 0. But 0 is not a natural number. 0 is a whole number. So 0 is not a natural number. So the natural number 1 has no predecessor. This is true. Because 0 is not a natural number. 0 is a whole number. Now question number J bit. The whole number 1 has no predecessor. We know whole number starts with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. These are whole numbers, and whole number 1 has no predecessor. Predecessor of the whole number 1 is predecessor of 1 is, we have to subtract 1 from the number 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0, and 0 is a whole number. So whole number 1 has no predecessor. This is false. Whole number 1 has predecessor and it is 0. 0 is a whole number. So it is true. So it is false. So whole number 1 has predecessor, that is 0. But it is given that the whole number 1 has no predecessor. So it is false. Now question number K bit. The whole number 13 lies between 11 and 12. The whole number 13 lies between 11 and 12. This is false. Because after 12, the next number of 12 is 13. 12 plus 1 is 13. So whole number 13 lies between 11 and 12. This is false. Now question number L bit. The whole number 0 has no predecessor. Whole number starts with 0 and the predecessor is the before or the previous number. We have to subtract 1 from the number. So predecessor of 0 is 0 minus 1. We have to subtract 1 from the number, whole number 0. So 0 minus 1 is minus 1, and minus 1 is not a, this is not a natural number. This is not a whole number. Minus 1 is a negative integer. Minus 1 is negative integer. So minus 1 is not a whole number. So this is false. The whole number 0 has no predecessor. This is true. Whole number 0 has no predecessor. Predecessor of 0 is minus 1, and minus 1 is not a whole number. So it is true. Whole number 0 has no predecessor because minus 1 is not a whole number. Now question number M bit. The successor of a 2-digit number is always a 2-digit number. Successor means the next number or the following number. That is, we have to add 1 to the number. So successor of a 2-digit number, that is, suppose the number is 99, and successor of 99 is we have to add 1 with 99. 99 plus 1 is 100, and 100 is a 3-digit number. This is 3-digit number. So successor of a 2-digit number can be a 3-digit number, but it is given that the successor of a 2-digit number, that is 99, is always a 2-digit number. This is false, because successor of 2-digit number can be a 3-digit number, but it is given that the successor of a 2-digit number is always a 2-digit number. This is false. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.